Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to display values on a plot using Matplotlib in Python. This can be particularly useful for making your plots more informative and easier to understand. Step 1. Install Matplotlib. If you haven't already installed Matplotlib, you can do so using pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run. Step 2. Basic plotting with Matplotlib. Let's start with a simple example of plotting some data. Step 3. Adding values to the plot. To display the values of each point on the plot, we can use the text function from Matplotlib. This function allows us to place text at specific coordinates on the plot. Here's how to modify the previous example to include value annotations. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing Matplotlib. We start by importing the pyplot module from Matplotlib. 2. Sample data. We define our x and y data points. 3. Creating the plot. We plot the data using plt.plot. The marker equals O argument adds circular markers at each data point for better visibility. 4. Adding titles and labels. We set the title and axis labels for clarity. 5. Annotating values. We use a for loop to iterate over the y values. The plt.text function is used to add text annotations at the x, y coordinates of each point. We convert each value to a string using str value and set the font size and alignment. The ha equals center and va equals bottom parameters center the text horizontally and position it slightly above the data points vertically. Customization options. You can customize the text appearance further by adjusting the following parameters in the plt.text function. Font size, change the size of the text. Color, set the color of the text, example color equals red. Font weight, change the weight, example font weight equals bold. Rotation, rotate the text to a specified angle. Example with customization. Here's an example with some custom text styling. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've learned how to plot data using Matplotlib and display the values on the plot. This can greatly enhance the readability of your visualizations. You can further customize the appearance of the text annotations to suit your needs. Feel free to experiment with different datasets and customizations to make your plots even more informative.